Okay, because you're asking me a question about my debut film, Bablu Happy Hai. So I'll get into the shoes of my character. Her name is Tamanna Singh, so I'll get into her shoes and answer like Tamanna. I think no guy deserves me. I think I'm too good for any guy. And I get angry at my fiance because he doesn't do what I ask him to do. And I throw a lot of tantrums at him, and I feel that is how it should be. That is how every girl these days should be. Some men feel that girls are inferior to them, and that is not the case at all. So it is much better to be overconfident and oppressed than being inferior and just being under somebody. So just take care of that because we deserve it. To know more about Tamanna, you have to go and watch the film on 7th Feb. I always had a passion for cinema. I used to take part in every theatre or plays that used to happen in school. It was during my high school that I realized the importance of a good degree and living an independent life and coping with all the obstructions on my own. So I went to UK, I did my bachelor's and my MBA, and after finishing my studies I moved back to India and went to Mumbai, applied for an acting course, and I got an opportunity within some months itself. I would love to play the character of Geet in Jab We Met, which was played by Kareena Kapoor. I feel that role was a role that seamlessly, it had all the facets of acting in it. She played with all the characters, a carefree girl who was very chirpy and she used to take life as it came, and then she transformed into a thoughtful lady upon a heartbreak, and she got the opportunity to play with the character. So that role was brilliantly written and directed by Imtiaz Ali, so that is like my dream role. I would love to play that. My favorite actor is Ranbir Kapoor. In barely a few years of his time in the industry, he has shown a versatility that most of his contemporaries have not been able to portray. From being, an innocent, mute and deaf guy in Barfi to a shrewd politician in Rajneeti, he has, played such different versatile roles, and I feel he has a long way to go. My favorite actress is Deepika Padukone because she last year was her year because she has given 5 back-to-back blockbusters and 4 blockbusters in one calendar year, which is a big thing. And I look up to her. She has done great roles like a carefree girl from London. She has played like, spoiled brat but soft-hearted girl in Cocktail. And then she did a great job in Chennai Express where she played a South Indian girl. So I love her work and she is my favorite actress. My favorite film is Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge because I'm a hardcore romantic and I've spent my childhood watching that film and dancing endlessly to Mere Khwabon Mein Jo Aaye Alone in the Room. And I could relate to that character of Simran who lived in an atmosphere of cultures and values, yet she was ready to go against the society, against the shackles of the society and run away with her love. So that is one film that I've grown up watching, so I love that film. One thing that I want to change in myself, I love myself, I don't want to change anything. Okay, jokes apart, I think I need to have a little more patience in life. I'm very ambitious and that makes me, stressful about things that I desire. I make a point to give my best, but then this industry demands a lot of hard work and patience. So I need to learn that, and I need to learn that things take time. So that's one thing that I want to change about myself. Looks looks are definitely a critical factor for me to get attracted towards a guy, but what is more important is his attitude towards me. I would rather date an average looking guy who respects me and my thoughts than, dating somebody very good looking with a good physique, but who has a mindset that, makes me inferior to him. So I think the right attitude is must. My parents have always been very supportive of my dreams and my ambitions. They have made sure that they stand by me in my highs and lows. It is because of them that today I'm in a state where, without worrying about any troubles that they might be facing, I can concentrate on my cinema career. I believe that challenging your roles and doing different roles will eventually, help an actress to rise to the heights where she wants to be. And she will be obviously recognized both critically and commercially by both the audience and the industry. So I think for me, a good performance is better than fame. I'm not here to advertise for my film or myself. I just want you all to know that I'm new to this industry and I want to stay here for long. With all your love and blessings, I just want to sustain in this industry. So you all can follow me on this Twitter handle, and I promise to give you a good body of work in future. See you in cinemas.